Okay, so the first activity is basically milk designs. It's really simple. It's basically food coloring mixed with milk and sugar. So now we're gonna put the food coloring in. So next up is yoga. Bailey uses an app called SuperStretch, and then these are the options that provide different poses.
She started as a crawling caterpillar, and now she's a flying work of art. Time for us to fly. Make little antennas with your fingers and flap your legs like wings. This is really good for your hips and knees. This is Otto the down dog. Otto is having a bad day, so he wags his tail, calms his mind, and shakes his troubles away. Are you ready to put your paws on the ground? Yeah. Lift your tushy to the sky and wag your tail. This stretches and strengthens your whole body from your fingers to your toes. When Moksha the mouse runs from hiding place to hiding place, his heart races, so he needs short timeouts to calm his mind and relax his body. Sometimes when we're tired, we get crabby. You know what helps? Just curl up like a mouse and breathe. Resting like this just a few minutes can give you as much energy as a short nap.
It's done.
That's a relaxing pose.
Say namaste to Vera, the tree. She's your friend through summer, fall, winter, and spring. Always sturdy no matter which way the wind blows. Let's see your tree. Opens, standing on one leg, tests your balance and takes lots of concentration. Try to stay steady as you wiggle your fingers like leaves in the trees.
Now we're building structures using marshmallows and toothpicks. We used rounded toothpicks to avoid possible pricks.
What do we live in? Yes, I'm building the house. You are? A house too?
And then last is paper plate tic-tac-toe. I loved how easy it was to get this going, and I was actually pretty surprised at how good Bailey was. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.